Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add custom token on Ambire Wallet. If a token is not automatically visible in your wallet after receiving it, you may need to manually add it. In this guide I will show you step by step on how to add a custom token on your Ambire Wallet on PC so you can properly track your assets and balances. So sometimes newly launched tokens or lesser known tokens do not appear automatically in your wallet interface. Adding a custom token allows you to view token balance, track asset value, or send or receive the token. So first you need to open your browser, and after that in the top right there's this extension here. Select to this extension and go to the Ambire Wallet and enter your password and unlock it. Over here, once you reach into this interface, what you can do is in the top right there's three-line icon. Select to this three-line icon here and go to this custom tokens in the bottom. Over here you need to select to this add token in the top right. Here you can click any of the letter that you want to add token of and also type down your token address. And you will now need to add the token's contract address. Token symbol usually autofills, decimals usually auto detected. And after that you can select to this add token. And adding a custom token in Ambire Wallet is simple. Select the correct network, enter the official contract address and confirm. This allows you to properly monitor and manage tokens that are not automatically detected. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.